Hey everyone, today we're taking a look at the portable range. Now what I like about this and why I say it's portable is because all you need is a 3-prong outlet to plug this in. Or you can use a power bank as we have right here and use this off-grid if you need to. A few things before we get started. You can peel off this like white, it's just plastic that protects it. And to take this off, you just go ahead and lift this up and that gives you access to the internal, which I absolutely love. They make it simple and easy for cleaning. So you can do that on both panels. You have your lights right here. So this would pull in the steam and blow it out on the other side. You just hook up your ductwork to this and we're gonna all right, from the front here, so this is how it's gonna look. It's nice and sleek design. So pulls in the steam from the bottom, blows it out wherever you connect the ductwork. You have your power button right on here. And you can adjust and turn the lights on and off with the settings. You can adjust the speed by just simply pressing the plus, and it lets you know by 1, 2, 3. So this is number 1. The flap opens. And on mode number 1, it's pulling 73 watts. Let's go ahead and up this. Mode number 2. It's pulling 85 watts, about 85 to 90. Up it to number 3. It's pulling about 100 to 110 watts of current. Number 4. So this is really pulling in air now. That's about 130 watts. And that's as high as it goes. Now you can do some other settings as well. But overall, very nice, easy to mount. They provide you with your mounting brackets and everything.